I welcome you all. This is Jagadeesan, Assistant Professor, Computer Science and Engineering in R.M.D.E. Engineering College. In this video, we will learn about creation of thread. The creation of thread, there are two ways to creation of thread. The thread can be implemented in through two ways. First one, the extending thread class. Second one, implementing runnable interface. Extending thread class. In that, we will see the example program. Class is a keyword, then name of the class is my thread. Extend keyword is the thread. Thread is a super class. Based on the super class, we created a child class. It's a my thread. Public void run method is a predefined method in the thread class. In that, we are going to print the some statement, that is system.out.println concurrent thread started running. Then class my thread demo. In this class, we are going to create an object for the thread class. The public static void main string args. My thread is a class name. Empty is a object equal to new is a keyword and my thread in empty dot start. We are starting a thread now where the output is concurrent thread is started running. This is another way, create the thread by implementing runnable interface. Creating a user-defined thread by implementing runnable interface and implementing its run method. Example: this is a class my thread implements runnable public void run public was out system dot out dot println. In that public void run is a predefined method. In that we are going to printing a message thread started running. Then another class is created for the object creation and class my thread demo public static void main string args my thread empty equal to new my thread. This object can be created. In that object can be passed to the thread class. Thread t equal to new thread empty argument can be passed here. After that, thread object with help of the thread class object we start the method t dot start. The output is thread started running. Thread priority is another concept. How to assign the priority for the thread. The thread priority as an integer, we decide how the one thread should be treated with respect to others. The thread priority decide when to switch from one thread to another thread. The process is called context switching. A thread can be release control and highest priority thread that is ready to run is given the CPU. A thread can be pre-emitted by the higher priority thread no matter what the lower priority the thread is doing. Whether the higher priority thread want to run instead. So set the priority for the thread. Set priority method with help of set priority method. We have to set the priority method. We used to give which method of the thread is class. In place of the defining the priority is an integer, we can use the min underscore priority with value is one. The minimum priority value is always one, and norm underscore priority is a default priority with value is five. Max underscore priority the maximum value, the value should be 10. Get and set priority thread. How to get the priority and set the priority. Then int get priority. It thread dot get priority method is the priority of the given thread and void set priority. In new priority, you are going to set the priority. Thread dot set priority is method changes the priority of the thread for the given new priority. This method through the illegal argument exception if value of the parameter new priority is gone beyond the minimum one and maximum the 110 limit. So minimum priority of the thread always one. The maximum value of the thread is 10. Uh, this is a program for explaining the thread priority and thread method example. Class my th is a class name. Extend thread public void main public void run method is given here. Is a default method in a thread class. for int I equal to 0, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus. Starting value should be 0 and ending value should be 5. We are printing the I value. Then public class thread method, public static void main string args, empty my th is a class name, t is a object name equal to new keyword my th. The system dot out dot println, we are printing the thread id with the help of t dot get id. Then system dot out dot println thread name, t dot get the name of the thread, and system dot out dot println thread priority, t dot get priority is getting the priority of the thread. For example, see the output, thread id is 8, thread name thread 0, the get priority, thread priority equal to now 5. And T dot set priority is IT student. We are setting the priority for the IT student, and set priority is the priority value is 10 maximum value. And system dot out dot println and thread ID. First we are printing the ID. What is the ID value? Is 8. Then system dot out dot println thread name, T dot get name. Now the name of the thread is IT student, and system dot out dot println priority, t dot get priority. The priority is now assigned to 10. Then 3 dot start. This can be executed 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 5. Thank you.